All right, folks, this is my Aziki tempered glass for my Motorola Edge. I tried to go with something else I bought from the store, but it didn't have the curve on the edge and it kept peeling up. But if you notice, I don't know if you can tell how you need to look at it. Um, it's got a little curve. Maybe this will work. It's got a little curve on the edge. That's what helps it stick to your phone. So if you try to use any of the other ones that are flat, or that claim they work and it's flat, it's not gonna work. You're gonna have to get this one, the one with the curve. It comes with two tempered glasses, and I'm sure it wasn't that expensive, maybe 12, 14 bucks, something like that. But it works perfect. I can't show you on this one because I'm actually filming with the Moto Edge, but it fits perfectly. I'll take some pictures and put it under the review.